Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video I am showing you all my recipe on beef biryani. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's start. Take 4 cups of rice. Wash it and soak it for 30 minutes. Now moving to other ingredients, we need 1 kilo beef, take 4 onions, slice it very thinly, take 2 whole garlic and small size of ginger, grate it and make a paste. Take handful of coriander leaves, chop it finely. Mint leaves. Here I am not chopping it, separating the leaves. Take 5 to 6 green chili, 1 big tomato, slice it. In a pressure cooker, add half a cup of oil. Then add chopped onion. Fry it till it gets golden in color. Take some fried onions and keep aside. Now take ginger garlic paste, add it and mix it well till the raw smell gone. Then add beef and mix it well. For spices we need half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt as required. Here I am using chicken stock too. Add all spices and mix it well. Now add green chili, coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mix it. And add chicken stock. Close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of water and pressure cook for 15 minutes. Now for the rice we need 5 to 6 green chilli, 2 star anise, 1 mace, 6 cardamom, 6 cloves, 1 big cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf. In water add all the whole spices and salt and leave it to boil. Now back to yakhni. Let's check the beef. As you seen in the video, it's not yet done, so again cover the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. As you seen, water start boiling here. I am taking out the spices, then add rice and leave it to boil. After the rice 3/4 cook, take it out and keep. As you see now, beef cooked completely. Add 1/4 cup of yogurt. Mix it and leave it for 5 minutes. Then in a small bowl, take out the oil of yakhni and keep aside. Put 1 layer of rice and add yakhni evenly. And again repeat it. On top, add yakhni oil, cover the lid and leave it for 15 minutes in low flame. After 15 minutes, the beef biryani is ready. To serve, garnish with fried onions and have it. If you like my recipe, do try at home and send your feedbacks. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.